Hey everyone, welcome to another episode of Facebook Marketing and AI Updates with BizCrown Media. Today we're talking about one of the most powerful opportunities of the year, how to turn the holiday season into your biggest moment for sales and lead generation using insights straight from Meta's new holiday playbook. Every year, people discover, research, and buy differently. And this year, Meta says the winning strategy is all about AI-powered creative, personalization, and automation. Let's dive in. First, Meta highlights how important it is to start early. The data shows that people begin shopping and planning earlier every year, which means the brands that show up early are the ones that win attention and sales. Meta recommends launching your campaigns before Black Friday and letting Advantage Plus automation handle audience targeting and budget optimization. Advantage Plus campaigns can now learn from your best performing ads and automatically test variations, so you can scale faster without doing all the heavy lifting. Think of it as your holiday sales autopilot, finding new buyers, re-engaging past customers, and optimizing your creative for conversions. Next, the playbook reminds businesses to lean on AI creative tools. You can now generate multiple versions of ads tailored to different audiences, adjust backgrounds, crop sizes, or even try AI-generated headlines and CTAs that adapt automatically. The goal is to make every ad more relevant to the person seeing it. Another key strategy is shopper confidence. Meta's data shows people are more likely to buy from brands that feel trustworthy and helpful. You can use tools like Facebook and Instagram messaging, WhatsApp, and business AI assistants to answer questions instantly and guide customers through checkout just like an in-store rep would. Meta also points out that short-form video and reels are driving the biggest engagement spikes this season. Shoppers are discovering products through quick, entertaining videos more than ever before. That means your reels don't have to feel like ads. They should inspire, educate, and show your product in action. For e-commerce brands, using Meta Shops and product tagging can turn those videos into instant shoppable experiences. The playbook calls this discovery commerce, where people don't have to search for what they want. They simply discover it while scrolling. For service-based businesses, lead generation is just as powerful. Meta recommends using ads optimized with instant forms or messenger follow-ups to capture interest fast. You can combine that with business AI automation to respond right away and increase conversion rates. Meta also encourages brands to think multi-platform by using both Facebook and Instagram together for a consistent presence. You can connect your campaigns across placements and formats, making it easier to follow customers through their buying journey. And finally, measurement matters. Meta suggests using tools like Conversion Lift and your connected analytics to track what's really working across your ad mix. This helps you see the full impact of AI optimization and campaign performance throughout the holiday push. So whether you're running ads for an online store, a local service, or a growing brand, the takeaway is simple. The earlier you start, the smarter your creative testing, and the more you lean on AI automation, the stronger your holiday results will be. This is your time to turn clicks into customers and browsers into buyers. If you found this breakdown helpful, make sure to subscribe and follow BizCrown Media for more updates on how Meta's AI tools, social media trends, and digital strategies can help your business grow this season.